All right, so this is another thing we can do with standard form that's kind of fun and easy to do. We can test whether there are points, dots, that appear on the line represented by an equation. And we can do that simply by substituting the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate into the equation and seeing if we get something that works. It's a little confusing in words. Let's do it in real life. I'm actually going to jump down to my workspace and do the last example with you. This equation right here, negative 3x plus y equals 0, that represents a line. We could change it into slope-intercept form. We could find the y-intercept. We could put it on a graph. But instead, what we're going to do is take these 4 points and see if those happen to be dots or stops on the line of this equation. So what we're going to do is take each x and each y one at a time and see if they fit with this x and this y to make a true statement. Let's do the first one right below. If my original equation is this, I am going to take out this x and this y and replace them with this x and this y. So I will take, I'm using parentheses for multiplication because I don't want to forget that I'm multiplying negative 3 times the x. So negative 3 times 7 plus 21 equals 0. What I've got to do over on the left side here is some PEMDAS work to see if this adds up to 0 as well. So with PEMDAS, we're going to first multiply. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. And indeed, negative 21 plus 21 is 0. So this point is on the line because when I substitute the x and the y in the equation, I get a correct answer. I get equals 0. Let's try 5 and 15 quickly. We'll go a little more quickly on this one. I'm just rewriting the equation the way it was presented to me, way on the left. And now I'm going to substitute this x and this y. X is 5, y is 15. I'm going to do my PEMDAS. Negative 15 plus 15 is 0. There's 0 on the left and 0 on the right. So this point is on the line. Let's try 3 and 9. Negative 3x plus y equals 0. That's my original equation. Negative 3 times 3 plus 9. Just substituted my x and my y. My PEMDAS would say negative 9 plus 9. And indeed, negative 9 plus 9 is 0. This point is also on the line. Oh my goodness, maybe we're 4 for 4. Let's try this last one. All right. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is not 0. So this fourth and last point is not on the same line as these 3. But these 3 all line up along the line represented by this equation.